Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, we're here in Villa Segovia in Santa Rosa, Laguna to feature this brand new, beautiful 4-bedroom home within the 13 million range. I'm really excited to show you this one because apart from its superb location, this property is a must-see. It just looks tiny outside, but once you get inside, you will just be wowed of how big the house is inside. By the way, I'm Armand Cruz, your licensed real estate broker, specializing in premium homes in New Valley and the South. And again, we're here in Villa Segovia, Santa Rosa, Laguna to feature this property, which is in the lot area of 120 square meters with a floor area of 210 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, 1 vehicle carport. So tara, simulan na natin. By the way, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and also follow us in our social media accounts. So here we are right now in our 1 vehicle carport. It can fit your full-size SUV, your pickup trucks, or even your full-size van. This is nice because yung floor area is 210. That's inclusive of all the parts of the house that's already cemented. So itong unahan natin, all the way to the sides, up to dun sa likod, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo, is cemented already. So this is your 1 vehicle carport. You already have your water faucet there and naka-WPC na yung ceiling natin, which actually is nice. It's wood finish design or wood design yung nandyan, and you have a lot of LED lights. And on this side would be your access going to the house, and at the same time, this is your lanai. And it's actually nice kasi it's very welcoming. You can add more plants. Pwede kang maglagay pa ng maraming plants dyan. Lalo pa yan mapaganda. So let's continually explore the exterior part of the house. So you have this hallway on this side, which I think you can actually make it into a siguro mga storage area nyo where you put your bikes, you put yung mga garden essentials nyo or yung car essentials nyo. So here at the back is a good space, good enough space for a dirty kitchen. You can actually put a roof here. So most of the houses dito sa Villa Segovia, naglalagay naman sila ng bubong dito sa likod. So this one, ang maganda dito sa ating dirty kitchen is you have a very long counter space. You have a dual sink. Tapos meron ka pang faucet dyan. And you have your provision for pwede kang maglagay ng bubong dito. You can actually cook your rice here kasi may saksakan na dyan. And then you have underneath the counter would be more storage space. You can actually cover this up so that you can store some of your kitchen essentials and also yung mga ginagamit nyo sa bahay. So we're done with the exterior tour of the property. Let's go inside. Tara, pasok kayo. So, kanina, we passed through the vehicle or the car garage gate. So, ngayon, pumasok tayo sa pedestrian gate. So, as you can see, it's very welcoming. It's very nice. Again, I can just imagine you can put a small bench and also dagdagan yung mga plants dito. Napakaganda niya na. So, as we enter, you'll be greeted by our solid wood door. It's still being finished. Kakatapos lang ng bahay nito. As we enter, you will be greeted by the centerpiece of this house. Your beautiful staircase with your mix of cement, wood, and also glass, and some parts are meron din siyang metal. And you can look up, sobrang ganda niya. This has a big glass window in front, and on top, you have a skylight, which is just beautiful. It's just the perfect way to live here in the South. Napakaganda. You can actually enjoy seeing the view of the pine tree in front, looking down on the house. Across our staircase would be your living and your dining area. So this is your designated dining area because it's just right across your kitchen. And itong other side na to would be your designated living area. So you can actually have a living area here. Ang dami niyang sockets. If you can notice, you can actually adjust the location of the TV or whatever appliance that you will put there. But take notice of the accent lighting that it did dito sa middle so that you can separate the two parts of the house and yung lighting scattered all over. It's just beautiful. Just imagine going home from a busy day at work and arriving at a very beautiful house. This is just perfect. By the way, the flooring that was used here in the ground floor is SVC flooring. So it's actually not all developers or builders use this. Typically, ang ginagamit nila would be porcelain tiles or ceramic tiles. But this is good for your feet. Welcome to your kitchen. So yung kitchen natin, you have your countertop. You have a lot of storage space for your cabinet. You have a multi-purpose sink here, you have for your water, you have for cleaning your glass, and then ang dami niyang usage. And then you also have your hamdem na range hood, and you also have an hamdem cooktop here. Very, very nice. Now, this door is leading towards your service area, which is kanina pinakita ko na. Now, here also on the ground floor is the first bedroom. For the first bedroom, you can easily fit your double size or semi-double or even your single bed. Tama-tama lang siya for a guest room, a study room, or an office. So you have cabinets. By the way, all of the rooms that here in this house includes the cabinet. So you have a cabinet here, perfect for one person. Now right beside this bedroom is your powder room. So yung powder room natin is not just your typical powder room because it already has your shower, and then meron ka na rin provision na ready for your heater, and then meron ka ng malaking window dito. So if you don't need to use the heater, pwede ito. So you have all of the necessities or everything that you need here in the ground. By the way, you have a smart toilet. All of the toilets here, I think, has a smart toilet. I can be wrong. So we're down here in the ground floor. Let's go to the second floor. Welcome to the second floor. Here we have 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. But before we explore the whole second floor, let's just admire this beautiful skylight and this beautiful staircase with a lot of beauty. Ang ganda talaga niya. You have this beautiful accent wall with your stone finish, and meron ka ring skylight looking down on you with the view of the pine tree dito sa labas. Ang ganda niya. Madilim lang sa labas kasi tag-ulan na while we're shooting this. And just imagine if the sky was so clear na meron kang blue and meron kang white. Sobrang ganda niya. And you also have this mirror here which actually adds to the lighting inside the house. Actually, kanina when I entered the house, I thought all of the lights was on. But actually, nakapatay siya. It's just because of this beautiful skylight. And you have a mix of glass and also metal dito sa stairs and also wood. It's just beautiful. So let's begin with the tour of the second floor. So dito sa second floor, you actually have a lot of space to move around. It's actually a good space to move around. You have a hallway here. You actually have a mini entertainment area here. You can put maybe an altar, a small study, or small library here in the side. So this is the first bedroom of the second floor. You can easily fit your double bed or your queen size bed because you already have the provision for your cabinet included in this property. So this is your full size cabinet already here. You have a lot of lighting, a center light, you have a lighting and accent light already included. You have a lot of marami kang sockets scattered all over this bedroom. Now, right beside this one is the common toilet and bath. Now, if you talk about common toilet and bath in houses at this price range, at the 30 million price range, maliit lang siya. But this one, the owner, the builder, built something big. So, sobrang laki niya. So, it's quite spacious. If you're a big people, this is actually perfect. Mataas din siya, so it's high. And you also have beautiful tiles. You have everything you need. You have your sink with the, meron ka na ring mirror dyan. Everything yan. You have also your shower heater already installed. Now, right beside this would be the second bedroom of the second floor, which is the third bedroom technically. So, this is quite more, a little bit more spacious as the first one. You can fit maybe a king-size bed, pero baka siksik na siya on both sides. But if you wanted to have more space, pwede na rin yung ating queen-size bed. Or you maybe put 2 single beds here, pwede siya. So again, you have a lot of lighting, center light, an accent light around the center light. You have a cabinet there. Sobrang spacious, sobrang ganda. You have a lot of space. Now, let's go to the master bedroom. Itong master bedroom na to, mawawaw kayo. Ako personally, when I saw this, nako, sobrang sulit. This is one of the most sulit houses at that 30 million range in this area. Because not only fit 1 king-size bed, maybe you can fit 2 king-size bed. This is just one of the biggest master bedroom at this price range right now. You have a lot of lights. You have a accent light here, very beautiful. You have a space here to put maybe 2 king-size beds or 2 queen-size beds. Actually, sobrang spacious niya. And it doesn't stop there. You also have a balcony on the outside just to enjoy the breeze of the air here in Villa Segovia. And may maganda kong malaking mirror dito with the view of the pine trees. Meron ka rin You also have here in the master bedroom, which it doesn't stop. Kasi sobrang laki na ng sleeping space mo. You also have a lot of cabinet space. You have a cabinet here. 1, 2, 3, sobrang dami. So it's just, I think this is built for somebody who has a lot of people na magsistay sa loob ng bahay. So you also have this spacious master toilet and bath. You have a shower with its own shower heater already. Don't need to think about that anymore. You have your toilet, you have your sink, and also you have your mirror. Tala, tignan natin yung balcony. Baka makalimutan ko, papakita ko sa yung balcony. Actually, sobrang sulit na nito for me. Sobrang sulit na nito because spacious yung master bedroom. So, and I've been getting inquiries for clients at this price range who would like to have a spacious master bedroom. So, this is your balcony. It's very practical, not too big, not too small, just the right size. You can put a chair just to sit down and relax and maybe read on social media, read a book, or read your Bible. It depends. Thank you for watching our house tour for today. If you would like to see this property in the actual, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. There we also have our social media accounts. Now, if you would like to sell a property, have a lot, a condo, or a house and lot within our area of reach, you can also contact us and let us help you move your property. Now, if you would like to get updates from us, messages from our team, we also have a Viber community. There we post our upcoming listings, mga bagong videos, and also mga projects na hawak namin. The link is on the description box. Now, if you would also like to browse more about the properties that we sell, we also have a website. It's liveinthesouthph.com. And once again, this is Arman Cruz, and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye, guys!